Hello, good morning dear students. In the virtual class we solve our math challenge and MATLAB activity. But when I am going to solve you the revision exercise, even I am going to solve the math challenge to you, I observed that some of the students they forgot the previous topics like shapes, plane shape, solid shapes and some concepts of the geometry. So I decided to for 2 days I revised all the topics, means whole the chapter I revised again, and you have to be observe them carefully, and on the Saturday we will take a test of the chapter geometry. So please बी केयरफुल, आपको ध्यान से उसको देखना है क्या है कैसे है, ध्यान से उसको देखो, क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ो, फिर उसका आंसर दो. No need to tell that I am done. Who students are done, they are very good. But who are the weak, I have to be teach them. Right, so I just comes to revise all the things of the geometry. Okay, so in the geometry means what? Whatever thing we observed, that is called the geometry. Simply, whenever you take a one marker or you have a duster or you have a box bottle, then all the things have a shape, particular shapes. So the first concept of geometry are the shapes. There are two types of the shapes. First is the plane shapes. Means it always comes in the 2D forms. 2D means the two dimensions. Means it's a simply come in this form. That will be not to you can wear and you can show to other people. जिस तरह से मैंने ये मार्कर पकड़ा है, आप 2D शेप को नहीं पकड़ सकते. 2D means you can only draw on the notebook or the board, right? So first plane shapes. First is the square. This is the square. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And write down the name of the square A, B, C and D. Four sides A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. So you have to write down like this: A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. नेमिंग में ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो मैं आज चाहती हूँ कि आप इस पे ज़्यादा फोकसिंग करोगे. देन फोर वर्टिक्स. वर्टिक्स मीन्स द कॉर्नर्स. वन कॉर्नर, सेकंड कॉर्नर, थर्ड कॉर्नर एंड द फोर्थ कॉर्नर. ए, बी, सी एंड द डी. टू diagonals means the cross lines. These are called the diagonals. That is the AC and the BD. AC and the BD. So this is the square. Like the square, there is the other shape called the rectangle. So rectangle have also the same things, but the shape will be the different. Rectangle, it's have one changes in the square, all sides become same, but in the rectangle opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are same. स्क्वायर में क्या होता था, सारी साइड सेम होती थी, बट रेक्टेंगल में क्या होता है, उसकी ऑपोजिट, मतलब जो सामने सामने होगा वही साइड सेम होगी. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो ए बी एंड बी सी आर द ऑपोजिट साइड, दोनों एक दूसरे के सामने, तो वो दोनों सेम रहेगी. यू कैन नॉट टेल दैट ए बी एंड ए डी आर सेम. बोथ आर नॉट ऑपोजिट साइड, बोथ आर नियर, दोनों पास में है, सामने नहीं है एक दूसरे के. सो ए बी एंड सी डी आर सेम, but AD and BAB are not same. So that it has four sides. Four sides name AB, BC, CD and the DA. Four vertex means the corners A, B, C and the D. two diagonals. Diagonal have a same size. That is the AC and BD. This is the rectangle. Third plane shape is triangle. I am just taking this class only for the revision. All the students, only few students give me the answer whenever I am going to solve the revision exercise and the math lab activity and math challenge. All the students are not connected just because they don't know the answers. That's why I revise all the things. And you have to be, I just request to please prepare all the things. This is too much difficult for you if you are not prepared it. Third, triangle. Triangle is in the shape of this. This is the triangle. I am taking the name PQR. Okay. So triangle, in a triangle, there are three sides. In the rectangle and the square, there are the four sides. But in the triangle, there are three sides. 1, 2 and 3. PR, PQ and QR. Three vertex. PQR. Okay, there will be no diagonals in the triangle. Last, plane shape. Fourth is the circle. Most important, and I just observe that all the students are confused in the circle. So please be careful in the circle. This is the circle. This is the center of the circle. जिसका यूज करके हम सर्कल को ड्रॉ करते हैं, that is called the center. उसका center point जो होगा, that is, for example, it's O. So name of the center is O. Okay. So there are two concepts. There will be a no vertex, no sides. No vertex, no sides. But there are two other concepts. First is the radius and second is the diameter. Okay, what do you mean by the radius? Whenever we draw a line from center to the circumference of the circle. Circumference का मतलब क्या होता है? This line which is make a circle, जो हमारी circle हो गए. For example, I have this box. What is the circumference of this box? Which place you can touch? जो place आप touch कर पा रहे हो, ये उसकी corner जो बाहर का जो portion है उसको आप touch कर पा रहे हो. अगर आपको अंदर का portion touch करना हो तो उसको खोलना पड़ेगा, then you can touch. But this is the 3D object, that's why you can touch inside. But if you have a 2D object, then you cannot touch inside, right? So the place where you can touch, it's called the circumference. So what is the meaning of radius? Whenever you draw a line from circle to the circumference, from circle to the circumference, this is the circle, I draw a line to the circumference. यहाँ से draw की, यहाँ पे भी आ सकती है, यहाँ पे भी आ सकती है. Means पूरे circle में कहीं पे भी draw करोगे, that is called the radius. That is called the radius. For example, OA, B and this. I draw these lines. Okay. So how many radiuses are there? OA, OB, OC. 3 radiuses are drawn here. Next is the diameter. A line that can pass from the center of the circle. That is called the diameter. Whenever we draw a line to the circumference and that will be passed from the center, that is called the diameter. जब हम कोई भी लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं उसके circumference से लेके दूसरी साइड पे and it will be passed from the center. अगर वो center में से पास हो रही है like that, this is not a circumference क्योंकि वो center में से पास नहीं हो रही. आप यहाँ पे लाइन देखोगे, यहाँ पे मैंने ड्रॉ की है लाइन. This is the center, right? As I told you in the diameter, whenever you draw a line and it's passed from the center of this circle, it is called the diameter. You draw a line here, here, here. These all are not a diameter or not a radius. Whenever you draw a line which pass from the circle, center of circle, that is called the diameter. अगर वो center में से pass हो रही है तब भी उसको हम diameter बोलेंगे. So I draw it again. This is the center. Okay. So I draw a one line that is passed from the center. आप देख सकते हो कि वो line center में से pass हो रही है. P Q. That is called the diameter. Remember one thing also. You can also tell this is a other diameter. Sorry, radius. This one is other diameter. This is one diameter. This is the second diameter. Sorry, radius. One radius, second radius. When two radiuses are combined, it make a one diameter. Means a radius is the double of the diameter. A radius is the double of the diameter. So you can write down here the SA. So other is SA. So these are the plane shapes. Now we are going to revise the solid shape. Whenever you take any of the thing, any of the object, I hold a marker pen, it means it comes in the 3D shape. So whenever you get any of the side that has a shape particular, it called the solid shape. And it always comes in form of the 3D. 3D means the 3 dimension, means you can hold it. So like that, I hold the duster, I hold the marker, I hold the box. So first solid shape is okay. Sorry for the interruption, students. Okay, the first shape is the cube. Cube is like a square, but it comes in the 3D form. So you can draw it like this. So this is made of one cube. Okay, you can tell that you play a cube game also, that is in form of the cube. So it has edges, where in the plane shape we are writing the sides. In the solid shapes we have to be write the edges. Okay, sides and edges are same but names are different. For the 2D shape you have to use the sides, but for the 3D shape you have to use the edges. So cube has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the 12. Vertex means the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertex. Faces means where you can touch. आप जहाँ पे touch कर पा रहे हो उसको हम faces बोलेंगे. So counting the faces, 1 top side, side में second. जैसे कि ये box है, assume that this is the cube. 1 top, 2, 3, 4, back side 5, and at the bottom it's a 6. So 6 faces, and these are the plane faces. You can see that there will be a no curved faces. So no curved faces. Okay, so this is the cube. Simply just revise it. Now, second, in the plane shape, second we learn the rectangle. So like a rectangle, we have to learn the cuboid. Second solid shape is the cuboid. It's a like a rectangle, but it's come in form of the 3D. So let's draw it. Okay, so this is the cuboid. Now, number of edges means number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the 12. Vertex. As you know, in the plane shape, all things are the same in the square and the rectangle. So like that, all things are the same in the cube and the cuboid. Now vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8. Next, faces. Okay, simple, you can see the faces here. This is the rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. So 6 plain faces and there will be no curved faces. Okay. Now we are going to learn a third one named cylinder. 3. Cylinder. Okay, cylinder that will be available at your home. So this is the shape of the cylinder here. Now, first of all, edges. You can observe the cylinder to have a curved face like that. वो सिलेंडर जिस तरह से होता है वो पूरा कर्व्ड फेस में होता है. ये रेक्टेंगल है तो यहाँ पे आप कॉर्नर देख सकते हो, बट उसका जो होता है वो पूरा कर्व्ड फेसेस होता है. So it has a 2 curved faces. It has a 2 curved faces and edges. I just forgot. One edge, this is the second edge. So it has 2 curved edges. It has 2 curved edges. You can see there will be no vertex over here. आप फिगर में ही देख सकते हो कि आपको vertex ही नहीं दिख रहा, तो vertex दिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. Now about the faces. This is the curved edge. This one and this one both are the curved edge. Now faces in the cube and the cuboid we learn about the plane face. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो सामने ही एक plane face आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, ये रहा नीचे. ये वाला जो है वो पूरा ऐसे कर्व्ड होता है, बट नीचे जो होता है वो एकदम प्रॉपरली परफेक्ट शेप में होता है. So this is the plane face and at the top that is also a plane face. So there are 2 plane faces and 1 curved faces. वो पूरे इस तरह से जो आता है, for example this is the cylinder, so it will become a curved face like this, and there will be a no vertex. Cylinder is also other thing than in which the students are confused, so please revise the cylinder also. Fourth, cone. Cone is like a triangle, but it comes in form of the 3D shape. So this is the cone, or you can say the birthday cake, that is also in form of the cone. So yes, first of all, at the top you can see a 1 vertex. So there will be a 1 vertex. Which thing I observe that I write down here. Second, in the cone shape, there will be a one curved faces over that. So there will be a faces, one curved faces. जैसे सिलेंडर में होता है पूरा राउंड होता है. And here you can see the plain faces also. So there will be a one plain face. Next, and this is the edge, that is the curved edge. Edge, one curved edge. No need to write down these things also. I just do this for the revision only. And the last is the sphere. Sphere is like a circle, but it comes in the 3D form. So whenever I am drawing this, so you have to remember that it's a sphere. Okay, in the sphere you can see that there will be a no vertex. So first, no vertex. You can see that also there will be a one only round curved face will be that. There will be only curved face. So only one curved face, and there will be a no vertex. There will be a no edges. So no edges are there. So this is the sphere. That will be more simple than the circle. So here I am going to end my video. Revise all the shape, plane and the solid, both shape. Next time I will show you the basic concept of geometry. I revise all the topics just because of you. You are not to revise all the topics that we previously learned. That's why I have to be revise all the things. I observed that during the revision exercise and math challenge that you are not understood this thing. Okay, so meet again with the